Good morning. Nagluluto ako ng fried rice. Busy today kasi pupunta kami sa library ngayong umaga. And then, magpapak ng orders. Tapos magpipictorial si Maya kasi 3rd month niya today. So, nagpipicture kami every month. And then, may gymnastic class si Lucas ulit. So, back to gymnastic class na siya after few months of break. So, yun. Marami kaming ganap today. Samahan niyo po kami. Fried rice yung niluluto ko po for myself and for the kids. And then, para sa aking asawa naman, usually kumakain din naman siya ng fried rice. But I know na parang mas gusto niya talaga yung sandwich sa umaga. So, gagawin ko siya ng omelette. So, he can decide. Tulog pa kasi siya. So, he can decide if gusto niya mag-sandwich or omelette with rice, whatever. You have to spit it out, Lucas. If you cough and then there's something that get out of your throat. Nasa walker show. Hi, Kuya. Hi, Diko. Hi. Happy 3rd month, baby. You're 3 months old now? Huh? Maya. Maya, 3 months old now? Yes, you are. Happy 3 months. Yeah? You're getting big so fast. I know. You happy about that? Yeah. Look at you. Look at you.
I asked to drive a bus. And I asked for hot dog parties. So are my arms. My arms are starting to wiggle. My arms are starting to wiggle. My arms are starting to wiggle. And now so are my toes. My toes are starting to wiggle. My toes are starting to wiggle. My toes.
Go to the letter K. K. Oh, C? Yeah, C, sure. K. K. Yay, good job. Okay, next, go to letter
C, cat.
Cat. Yeah, C for cat. Next. N. N. Yun na kami, nagpapak na kami ng orders. My husband packed, what was that? Olay? Olay Regenerist. Ayun yung una niyang pinak. Tapos ito, magpapak kami ng mga health and beauty products. Ito mga makeup. Tapos magpupull out kami ng mga nail polish. Papakita ko sa inyo yung iba pa namin order. In a bit, unahin ko lang ito. Okay, Maya don't really like it here. She likes the sun. So, I will go out and pull out some other stuff. You can... Two more reading glasses. One set of 100 pieces microfiber wipes. Ayan. And then I also sold one blue light glasses for kids. I'm gonna pull it out. So
inside the house, right?
Yeah, inside the house. This is for this.
God. Dad, I want to help. I want to help.
You do?
Yeah. Can I help like the small ones?
I didn't think you're gonna want to help. Do this. Do this.
Like that.
Here.
That inside.
I got it.
Lucas wants to help.
Daddy, can you tie my shoes?
Not pregnant anymore, Mom.
I'm not.
Like that? I put it in, Daddy.
Hey, I'll inspect
Here's
you.
the boxes that you want.
What else, Daddy? That's all what I need to put inside?
And then the sticker on it. Oh, you gotta close
I'm
it.
gonna check on Andy.
No.
Andrew? Oh, yeah.
No, other side's first.
Okay.
Sorry.
What's inside that red thingy, Daddy?
Nail polish. More nail polish. Last batch. Oh no, actually we still have the Walmart.
What was that?
Walmart is like 7 orders of nail polish. Tapos ito na lang. eBay orders to. Isang boots. Ayan. Tapos isang tablecloth. Isang coffee press. Isang set ng anong tawag dito? Trading box. Trading cards boxes. Toddler clothes. Facial mask. And then isang bra. Walmart, Daddy.
Oh. Yeah.
So, yan. Ayan yung aking ipapak. And then, Daddy, somebody wants to buy all of this coffee press.
Locally or?
Locally. Kung ilan piraso yung natitira. So, mamaya akit ako dito sa storage namin sa taas para makita kung gaano kadami. And then, I will tell them. And then, papakiyawin daw nila. And it was so good kasi last week, we also have these 2 old ladies who bought all of the wallpaper. A dozen. Isang dosena ng wallpaper, pinakiyaw ng matandang babae na amoy at mukhang mayaman na mga lola. So, parang ang babait nila, binigyan nila ako ng $100 para dun sa lahat ng wallpaper, which is only like $60 worth lang naman. Nagulat ako, sabi niya, you can keep it, parang ganun, don't worry about it. Wow, may tip. Sabi ko ganyan, Facebook Market, may tip. So, natuwa naman ako. So, so parang pinakiyaw nga nila yung wallpaper. Tapos, ito, hopefully, pakiyawin talaga yung lahat. Mamaya, after namin mag-pack, yun, titingnan ko kung ilang piraso pa yung natitirang coffee press.
I've been watching.
This is not a paid working.
Alrighty, we're done. Taran! Ayan. Tapos na kami mag-pack. So, ayan yung isang bag. Isang bag at saka ito, medyo very random. I'm sorry, baby. We're done. Okay, let's go inside. Dito tayo sa taas, sa storage room sa taas. Bibilangin ko lang yung kung ilang coffee press ang natitira. So, ito yan. Itong box na to. Ayan. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright. So, binilang ko na. Meron tayong 20 boxes. So, sa bawat box, merong 2 coffee press. So, it means we still have 40 pieces. Madami pa. Alright. We're going inside. Papahinga. Tapos, patutulogin ko si Maya. Pag nakatulog siya, mag-work ako. Or, baka picturean na namin siya. Picturean na namin siya for her 3rd month. God, it's so cold inside. Tapos, ang lamig. What are you guys doing? We're done packing. Hawk? Where? Where? Oh, flew away. You looking at the birds?
Yeah, but it flew away already.
Flew away already. Okay, we're done. We still have 40 pieces of the coffee press.
It's trash. Paper trash.
Okay, let's go, guys.
It's paper trash.
We're probably gonna take picture of Maya while you're playing. Pahinga. I'm gonna show the... Hi. Hi, baby girl. Ayan, pahinga na kami dito. My husband. Hi, tatay. Resting. While the boys are playing video games. So, naglalaro sila. How many hours or minutes they have? 30 minutes?
1 hour, but he wants a timer for 30 minutes.
So, they will play for 30 minutes. Kami ay dito pahinga. So, tinitignan ko, ang theme ng aming pictorial for today is The Sleeping Beauty. So, meron akong Maleficent. Ayan, ang ganda ni Maleficent. First time kong mag-crochet ng doll and I'm really happy with the result. Tingnan nyo naman. Tuwang-tuwa ako kasi ang tawag dyan ay amigurumi. Ayan, hindi ako amigurumi fan. Ayoko niyang ganyan project. Medyo mas mahirap kasi. Pero, I'm really happy with the result. Ayan. So, gagamitin natin yan na props. Tapos, ito yung kanyang dress. O, diba? Sleeping Beauty. And then, magpipictorial na sana kami. Ito yung shoes at saka yung crown. Magpipictorial na kami. Na-realize ko, si Sleeping Beauty nga pala ay may hawak na rose. So, last minute, gagawa ako ng rose. Titignan ko kung kaya ko. Tapos, wala akong green na yarn para sa leaves. Dahon ba? Ito lang, medyo dark na green. Okay na yan kasi wala na kaming time. So, try ko lang. I never made a rose before.
Daddy, play with me.
Oh, my timer's not going.
Oh man, that's 6 minutes past actually. Mukha bang rose? It doesn't look like a rose.
Oy!
Mukha siyang rose pag sa taas pero pag ganyan. Tangkadan ko pa. Failed. Try again. Oh man. So, ayan, gumawa na lang ako ng mga parang separate na petal. Ayan, 4. So, gagawin ko siguro mga 6. Try ko muna. Ano yung tsura? Ayan, mukha na siyang rose, no? Pag ganyan. Tapos ito. Isa na lang pala. Isa na lang. So, you're done playing?
I'm died.
I'm tired. You can play more. Put her in costume and then make her sleep. I'm gonna give her booby. Look at that rose. Does it look like a rose?
I don't know.
Lucas, does it look like a rose? Oh, it's breaking. The wire is not.
It does look like a rose. Rose died.
So, ta-dan! I'm happy with the result. So, merong rose. Medyo hindi nga lang maganda yung pag-secure ko kasi medyo minamadali ko na talaga dahil magpipicture na kami. Oh my God, my princess, so pretty. Look at you, baby girl. He's so pretty. Oh my God, he's so pretty. I don't think she'll sleep now. Yeah, I like my lippies, eh? How about just sit? Sit. Booby na, booby. Booby? A booby? Okay, if she sleeps, she sleeps. If not, she sleeps. Lumabat ulit kami kasi ayan, binaba ng aking asawa yung lahat ng mga coffee press, French press. Ayan, nasa 40, ilan ba? 20 boxes siya. Yan, nilabas namin maya-maya, pipick upin siya in like 30 minutes. So, wait natin siya. Meron pa na 4 na piraso nandyan sa taas. Yan, A0010. So, papakuha ko sa asawa ko kasi hawak ko si Maya. Hindi ako makatungtong. Syempre, delikado. So, ayan, bale. Sorry, baby. Papasok na kami ulit. Pinakita ko lang yung aming mga pinull out na mga coffee press na pinakyaw. Mamaya, tatry kong tanungin kung anong gagawin niya dyan. Baka i-resell din, diba? So, baka meron siyang coffee shop. Tapos, doon niya ibebenta. I don't know kung anong gagawin niya dyan. Pero, may bumili. Possible na i-resell niya. But, whatever. Basta, nabenta ko na sa kanya, diba? So, yan. Pasok muna tayo. Oo, ito na. Tutulog na daw siya ulit. Hey guys, where are we going?
My new gymnastic.
Yeah, we're going to Lucas' new gymnastic class. This is a big boy gymnastic. So dati sa little kids lang siya, dahil 5 years old na siya, mag-gymnastic na siya ng parang big boys. I mean, beginner pa din, pero bigger kids na. So good luck, Lucas. You're gonna do your best. New classmates, new teacher. Don't be shy, okay? Andrew, it's not your class.
You should not be shy too.
Yeah, don't be shy too, but it's not your class. We're gonna watch Kuya, okay? So, tapos na ang little gym ni Lucas. Di ako nag-video kasi sobrang daming bata nakakahiya. Baka bawal din. So, ngayon, Lucas, how was your first class? How was it? Good? You liked it?
It's okay.
It's okay. What is your coach name?
My coach name is Coach.
Your coach name is Coach. How about your classmates?
I don't really know the details.
You didn't talk to your classmates? This is the one, I thought it's a boys class, but there's one girl, right?
No.
It's a boy?
It's It's a boy and girl. But
The one with the long hair?
It's a boy.
It's a boy. Never mind.
But I think
It's all
that's-
boy. But he have a long hair.
but the other side is for girls.
Yeah. So ito, nagdi-dinner na kami.
Ow.
Dinner na.
Ow.
Nagkatamara ng magluto. Kasi gutom na daw sila.
It's sleepy.
Oh, hi Andrew. You had fun?
Yeah. Why aren't you awake? It's why aren't you awake?
Nakauwi na kami. Napagod na ako. Napagod na kaming lahat actually. Bagsak si Andrew. Tulog din siya. And anyway, kanina hindi ako makapag-video, friends, dun sa gymnastic kasi wala naman ako nakita na parang bawal. Kaya lang wala akong nakita na kahit isa na nagvi-video or nagpi-picture. Tapos parang inisip ko nga na ayokong i-video kasi sobrang daming bata. Malaki yung gymnastic nila eh. Malaki yung gym. Tapos sobrang hindi namin masyadong kita si Lucas. Actually, medyo malayo siya dun sa parents area. Tapos kung i-video ko siya, mas mabivideo ko yung mga batang babae na nasa unahan, na nasa harapan, na mas malapit sa amin. Eh, alam niyo na, yung suot ng mga bata na nag-gymnast, yung parang halos parang swimsuit, diba? So parang ayoko naman i-video yun, tapos i-vlog ko, diba? Parang, so sabi ko, hayaan na, hindi ko na i-vlog. So anyway, sabi ni Lucas, maganda naman daw. Parang ngayon kasi, parang tinitingnan pa lang namin kung okay. So mukhang okay naman daw, gustuhan naman ni Lucas. So itutuloy-tuloy namin. Naka-register na siya officially. And then, yun, after nun, gutom na kaming lahat. Kumain na kami kanina sa McDo. Kasi pag nagluto pa ako, matagal pa, mga 30 minutes pa, diba? To 1 hour pag uwi. So, sabi, sige, bukas ko na lang iluluto yung binababad kong, minamarinate kong chicken. So, pahinga na ulit kami. Pahinga. Hi, Maya. Hi, Maya. How do you do? Maya, baby, how are you? Tingnan niyo po siya, may balat siya, oh. May balat siya sa noo. Mukha tuloy siyang may... Ay! Hachik! Mukha tuloy siyang may bukol, ano? Parang ako din. Ewan ko kung napapansin ninyo, ayan. Meron akong parang bukol dito, diba? Pero wala po akong bukol. Pero meron parang linya na ganyan yun sa noo ko. Parang balat. Pero kasi minsan hindi siya kita eh. Parang depende sa, sa kulay ko or depende sa weather. Parang ganyan. Ayan. Ewan ko kung kita ba sa inyo. Pero mukha akong may bukol, diba? Ayan. So, si Maya gitna. Ayan pa yung minana mo sa akin, anak. Pasensya ka na. Aching! Achung! Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Happy naman ako sa picture nito kanina eh. Happy naman tayo sa Sleeping Beauty na yan eh. Ha. Digi ding ding. Digi ding ding.